Hey leaders, welcome to another CRM tutorial. My name is Mark from Ivy Leads, and today I'm going to show you some updates on your email campaign or email builder inside the CRM, because right now you can actually attach files already without using URL or external sites to be able to host those files. So it's going to be an easy process. Just go to marketing, and instead of using email templates, we're going to use email campaign, because right now this is the platform where the file attachment is supported. So click on that, and then you could either use an existing email campaign that you have, or you can create a new campaign. And from here, when you click that, you have the option to choose a template using the email templates that you have already, so you don't have to start from scratch. All right, so let's use the marketing emails that we have as an example. Let's do this, for example. And then once you selected that template, click on the check mark, and then it's going to load. Now in this template or the email that you already have prepared, once you're done with adding or changing the body, putting the colors, the photo, all the elements that you need, for example, a button, you know, click on the three dots up top on the right hand corner, so you can click on the file attachment. So in here, you can upload any file attachment that is supported. As you can see, it should not be beyond 10 MB. So make sure that your files are below 10 MB. All right. So click on the add attachments for upload, and then you're going to find that attachment that you want in your computer. And once you do, then it will upload here. You can upload, multiple files here, as long as the total size would be within 10 MB for right now. All right. Cool. Once you've selected that file attachment, click on save, and then you should have the file attachment in this email. Now, once you click on, send or schedule, once somebody receives this in their inbox, it's not going to be like a button to go to the file. It's going to be kind of like how you attach a file on Gmail. So they're going to see an attachment at the bottom part where they can download and access that attachment. Just so make sure that you put something in your body that's indicating that you have a file attachment or whatever that is for, so they know that the purpose of attaching the file is for example, as a reference or a free PDF that you want to share. Just make sure that put that instruction inside your email body, because not everyone is scrolling down, all the way to the bottom to see those attachments. All right. Awesome. So stay tuned for all the exciting updates that we are about to roll out soon. You're going to be surprised. I'm going to give you a hint. We're going to talk more about AI in the future, because there are a lot of AI tools that will be available in the CRM soon. All right. If you want to learn more about the CRM or specific topic that you want to dive into, let us know so we can create that for you on the next video. Take care.